Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am the Farid and today we're gonna do a Jotform review. I must say I'm really surprised at this website. It's like crazy interesting with all the things and functions it can basically do. Firstly, we're gonna just check out the templates. I must say, I first thought that it was actually just for forms, but I've noticed here we check they have app templates. So we can just have a look. Oh, let's first go through the forms and see what categories there is. Okay, so you got your product order form, customer details, registration, etc. There's so much forms here, guys. I must say, as you can see on top, it says there's 10,000 free online form templates, 10,000 plus. And as you can see, it's different, literally every single form you can look for. Even voting forms. So this is crazy. It has so much forms that's available. As you can see, there's a whole list going down, down and down. Okay, I'm just gonna check out the app templates. That's something I'm really interested about. Okay, they have 600 plus free app templates. As you can see here, they have scheduling apps, booking apps, mobile inspection apps, event registration. This is crazy, guys. I didn't know they have all these things. I might even consider creating an app through Jotform, because I really didn't know that they have this integrated as well. Okay, this is kind of cool. Okay, I'm gonna just go. Okay, so it's basically a different section on itself. So I'm gonna go back quickly. Okay, so here we go. So templates, got table templates as well. Okay, let's just check out the table templates. Okay, CRM. So I usually use HubSpot personally, but I see they have an integrated tables CRM system, so that's kind of cool. Social media calendar, monthly budget template. This is crazy, guys. Recruitment tracker, whoa. Class attendance sheet, okay. Work inventory, whoa. Guys, this is basically the blueprint to your business. This is literally the blueprint, sorry. Why would you even want to use any other platform? I know there are other form systems as Typeform and Google Forms, but this is just, I must say, the all-in-one basically. And we just check out the benefits. When a spreadsheet isn't enough for your team, collect, organize and manage data in all-in-one workspace. Okay, that's cool. Okay. Sorry for my computer being so slow, guys. It's crazy. The network is really bad. Okay, let me check out the PDF templates. $1,300 Jotform PDF templates. This is crazy. Simple one-page lease. Okay. Oh, that's cool. So if you notice, guys, they kind of use a example of an actual company. I went through real estate earlier and I've noticed there's a few real estate companies in my area that I've picked up that actually use this platform. So Jotform is not just for the average, not the average Joe, but I must say that they have been used by big companies that earn a lot of money. So, but you could give it a try. Mobile app development proposal. Whoa. There's so much stuff here that I don't even know of, I must say. Influencer contract template. What? Guys, this is gonna be my go-to form. my form workspace. I must say, this is going to be my go-to form workspace. There is nothing else that I can say that will beat Jotform. If you think there is anything else that could beat Jotform, please comment. Please comment in the section. Because clearly, I don't know. Cleaning proposal. Whoa. Short-term rental agreement. That's nice. Okay. Check what other templates they have. Card form templates. Product order form. That's nice. New customer registration form. Course registration form. Literally everything, guys. Nah. And this, I must say, Jotform makes life way easier for someone that wants to start a business, because even me, I am really intrigued in starting a business because I didn't know the certain knowledge that has been given out to us through this platform. There is certain things that I didn't know of. But once you get or go deeper into the website and see what is really going on, you will realize that it literally is your business blueprint, as I said before. Training application form, there is, oh my god, there's restaurant reservation form, course instructor feedback form. For any business, literally for any business, these templates will work out. Okay, we got a store boulder template as well. Let's check that out. Okay. Let's see. Automotive, booking app, checking app list, checklist apps, sorry. Construction, education, okay. Let's check this out. Okay, pit store app. Okay, so this is just a built-in version. Okay, there is, like I said, there is website builders, but I mean, let's say you have a Spotify store, whatsoever. There is no, let's say, integration, or there's no platform that has the physical forms that's going to be needed for your business. I know for online store, literally everything's going to be done online, etc. But if you have an online business and a physical store as well, then Jotform would be perfect, to be honest, because now if you need paperwork, etc., and you need a template, you basically update your online store if you need to change some details, and if you have to send something to a customer or whatever, just go down to the template form, the form templates, and then use one of the templates and then fill the form out and send it to the client. It's crazy easy. Instead of now you creating a form all from scratch. Let me just check out the approval template. Okay, document approval process template, budget approval process template. Wow. Leave request approval template. Wow. New hire. Okay, purchase order. Now guys, I think I'm gonna start a business after this, because this is really opening up my mind to a few things I didn't know. Because starting a business, some people would think it's easy just because of buy and sell, but scaling your business is something else. Physically scaling, because I know most of the people, they make a lot of money scaling their business online to do e-commerce and whatsoever. This is the easier route, but if you're going to physically scale your business, this website will definitely help you out a lot. Okay, boom, and the sign templates. Okay, I must say as well, you can say this is mostly for people that own their own business, that has their own workforce as well, or even just someone that needs some documentation signed. Simple one-page lease, okay. Payment agreement, oh, that one I'm gonna need. Okay. App development, data authorization. Okay, so it's kind of the same. Okay, I see now. Resignation, employee equipment agreement. Okay, bid proposal, grant proposal, letter of intent for promotion. Okay, I've never ever heard of anyone doing that unless they really need the money, but yeah, model contract template. Okay, that's dope. I like when I see Jotform sign. And this is e-sign, guys. Electronic e-sign. I think we covered all templates. Let me just check now. Yeah, that is all the templates. I'm gonna just go over to integrations. I see they integrate with quite a few things, guys. This is crazy. PayPal, Google Sheets, Zoom, Google Calendar, HubSpot. Like I said, I use HubSpot before. Dropbox, Mailchimp, and Slack. There is more features. I'm not gonna go through all of them, but I must just mention that these are the main integrations that I do have. You can see these are the products that they do sell. Sorry, I'm gonna actually go through to the pricing. So they have the support team as well that can assist you. They actually have a blog and videos, and there is a system where you can actually learn. So there's a user guide and everything from anyone. Okay, and you can basically contact sales if you're interested. So let's go over to the pricing, guys. Okay, there we go. So as you can see now, you can basically be a starter. Like I said now, all the features are free, but if you want to scale your business, you're gonna have to pay to scale. So 5 forms at your limit is under the free package, 100 monthly submissions, 100 megabytes available space, monthly form views, total submission storage, 100 fields perform, 10 monthly payment submissions, 10 monthly signed documents, 1 user per team. Okay, I see now. So as it goes higher, the more forms you basically get. So 25 form limit, 1,000 monthly submissions, and that is going to be like $34 per month that you bill annually. And as you can see in the middle, which is the base value, which is your silver package, it's going to be $39 monthly. So it's going to be 50 forms and 2,500 monthly submissions and a 10 gig space, guys. I would consider you to take the silver package, but like I said, now if your business is scaling and you're gonna need more forms and you're gonna need a system that you can rely on, I must say Jotform, you're gonna have to go either to Gold or Enterprise. So Gold is gonna be, as you can see, $99 per month, and that's gonna be for 100 forms, etc., 10,000 monthly submissions, and 100 gig space, and 1 million form views. So guys, this is crazy. And then lastly, you get your Enterprise. I must say Enterprise is probably for the big guns, the large enterprises. Like I said, now these people, there's not even a price there, guys. You're gonna have to contact sales for that. I don't know how they're gonna price you, basically depending on your business size, etc., and then that's how they're gonna price you. But like I said now, guys, this is literally the perfect website for you to formulate your business from scratch, integrated online, and basically sell locally and internationally. So this is your all-in-one package, guys. I must mention that to you. And as you know, this is the channel, the affiliate. So as you know, I am currently an affiliate for Jotform. So you're gonna see more and more of these type of videos on my channel, where basically I'm gonna be promoting every single website, company, does not matter, on the affiliate program. I won't be posting a video without having an affiliate program to the website I'm basically promoting, etc. So like with me saying that, there is a link in my bio, not in the bio but in the description of this video, where you can basically tap on it and then you can basically sign into Jotform. If you're interested in becoming a Jotform affiliate, tap on my link and then it will send you straight through to the Jotform website, and then you can just go down to the settings section, or even just after you get into Jotform, you could sign up and take either one of these packages, and soon after that you can apply to become an affiliate. So yeah, this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching it, if you are still around, I must say, and like and subscribe and comment if you'd like a video on something else or another affiliate program. Take care.